Welcome to the Random Generator tutorial. This is Andrew
and Chaz
with the VGS dev team. This tutorial will show you how to generate random numbers or items that are often needed for random sampling. Many protocols require randomly generated numbers or items for statistical analysis of data. The random generator allows the user to generate these numbers or items in the field. Let's see how it's done.
On the menu toolbar, select the Random Generator icon and the Random Generator window will open. To generate a random number, make sure the Number Radio button is selected. Enter the upper limit of the numbers that need to be generated in the upper limit box. For example, to generate a number between the values of 1 and 100, enter 100 in the upper limit box. Enter the lower limit of the numbers that need to be generated in the lower limit box. Using the same example of a random number between 1 and 100, enter the number 1 in the lower limit box. Click Generate and a random number will appear in the results box. If more than one number needs to be generated using the same limits, click the Generate button again.
To generate a random item, select the Items Radio button in the Random Generator window. Binary options, such as yes or no, are populated in the Random Generator window list by default. To generate a binary option, click the Generate button and a random binary item will appear in the results box. To add items to the Random Generator window list, select the Add button and an unpopulated item will appear. For example, if the user would like a binary 0 or 1 option instead of yes or no, click the Add button and in the new row, enter 0. Click the Add button again and in the new row, enter 1. To remove an item from the list, select the item and click the Remove icon. Using the same example of a 0 or 1 binary option instead of yes or no, select the Yes item and click the Remove button. Repeat for the No item, then click the Generate button to generate a random 0 or 1.
To choose a random item from the pre-populated list, select the desired list from the List drop-down menu and the list items will appear in the Random Generator window list. Click the Generate button to generate a random list item. Items can be added or removed by clicking the Add or Remove buttons. To add a custom list to the Random Generator, please see the Category Input List and Category Type tutorials. To close the Random Generator window, click the Close button. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.